Warren Buffett is the legendary investor whose net worth is estimated to be around $80 billion. There are a lot of great lessons to learn from Warren Buffett, but one of the most powerful lessons is his insatiable desire for reading and learning. By the age of 10, he had read all investment books in Omaha Public Library, some even twice, and he made his first investment at the age of 11. Even now in his 80s, he reads 5 to 6 hours a day. Buffett was very hardworking as a kid and very much wanted to learn everything he could about finance and the stock market. Charlie Munger once described Warren Buffett as a learning machine and noted that if you observe Warren Buffett during the day, you will realize that half his time is spent sitting on his ass and reading. When asked how to get smarter, Buffett once held up stacks of papers and said, "Read 500 pages like this every single day. That's how knowledge builds up, like compound interest." Even now, his days are rather unstructured. He doesn't have a computer on his desk. He reads for hours and only has a telephone on his desk. Hours pass without interruption. What's interesting is that this thirst for reading and learning is a very common pattern among a lot of billionaires. Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Mark Cuban are all crazy about reading as well. Elon Musk was reading 2 books a day in 4th grade and was reading 10 hours a day by the age of 12. When Elon Musk finished all the books in his school library at the age of 13, he went on to read all the Encyclopedia Britannicas.